Hi, welcome back to another video from Grandkids How Do I? I'm Akash. In this video, I will teach you how to set up a Gmail account. So you can type in Gmail here at the top of your browser or in the middle here. So you can type in Gmail and you're going to click create your Google account. You type in your first name, and you can select your own username or it will come up with one for you. And if you don't like what they've picked for you, you can click ones that are available, and then you will type in your password. You want to make sure it's long enough so it's safe, but not so long that you might not remember it. And then you have to confirm your password. Then you will click next. Oops. So you don't meet the requirements. You have to have 8 characters or more. So you can add, you'll add more numbers or letters or symbols. So 3, oh. Then you will click next. And you'll type in your phone number. This is so that way they can send you a number to your phone and confirm the account. Here you can type in a recovery email address. That's in case something goes wrong with this email that you just created. But for the purposes of this video, I am going to skip that part. It's not required. It's optional. And I'm going to enter in my birthday and the year. And for gender, you can pick your gender and go ahead and click next. And here you're going to verify your phone number by getting a number. It will be texted to you. So you will click send. And you will type in the number that you just got. So 559 306. Now this is not the number you put in, this is the number that you get in your text messages. So you go click verify, and if you want to get more things from your phone number, you can go ahead and do that. But I don't want anything. I do not want to receive video calls and messages, and I don't want Google services and ads to be relevant to me. So I will go ahead and say click skip. This is the privacy and terms. You can read through it all and click I agree. Once you've done that, you will go to Gmail, and there you go. Your email account has been created. And we have some other videos on our channel on how to send files, write emails, and you can use your new account to do that. Thank you for watching, and I hope to continue to teach you more fun and easy videos. Thank you.